Now guess who's the newest metrosexual actor in town? He was quite the rugged guy in all his past movies, but now the young star is making a significant effort to appeal to the audience as the stylish one. While his contemporaries may be beating him in this department, he's sure catching up fast. Watch on to find out who we are talking about.
We have seen him as a raw and rustic small-town boy in Ishaq Zadeh, and then he repeated his act in Gunde. But seems like playing the urban IIM graduate in 2 states has changed Arjun Kapoor for good. The actor who usually carried the tag of looking rustic with a street style is now the metrosexual male of B-Town.
Pedicure karata हूँ. I cannot disagree with that. वो मैं कराता हूँ because I think I wear a lot of flip-flops. मैं चप्पल्स में बहुत घूमता हूँ, तो I think it looks really bad if you have long nails and bad-looking feet. A lot of people end up noticing your feet. So that's one thing. मैं dentist के पास जाता हूँ every couple of months to make sure that my teeth look nice. I think that's something that I like, that my teeth should look nice all the time. और दाढ़ी ट्रिम करता हूँ ठीक से हर रोज रात को सोने के पहले.
And why won't you? After all, a fine stubble is something that runs in his family, and Arjun seems to have inherited the genes from his dear Chachu Anil Kapoor.
मैं कौन होता हूँ? The बेताज बादशाह जो बेनाम बादशाह है दाढ़ी के, जिन्होंने I think he's the first actor who introduced the mustache to our mainstream commercial Hindi film hero. तो उन्हें क्या बताऊँगा? मैं क्या tips दूँगा? He's been iconic with his stubble and his mustache.
Now we all know that the Kapoor lad looks up to Salman Khan when it comes to being in shape and style. But when asked about the famous SRK Salman hug at Baba Siddiqui's iftar party, Arjun preferred not to take any sides.
I don't have an opinion on that. That's very personal for them. They've had an equation. They are friends. They were friends. Now they hug and meet up. It's great. It's fantastic.
From being casual and sporty with his fashion statements, Arjun Kapoor is evidently moving towards the metrosexual way. Is he aiming to be the hottest and best dressed celeb this year? Let's wait and watch. With Sakhidesh Pandey in Mumbai, Ayushi Syal for Headlines Today.
Deepika Padukone, Arjun Kapoor's star of Finding Fanny, is one of the most awaited film of the year. Both Deepika and Arjun are riding high on these success waves and are now gearing up for their upcoming films.
Fresh from the success of his films, Gunde and 2 States, Arjun Kapoor is now all set to entertain his fans with his 3rd release of the year, Finding Fanny. While the promo of the film will be out soon, these recently released stills created ripples all around the B-Town. Deepika and Arjun's interesting looks became the talk of the town.
It's Anayata Shroff Adajania. It's all her doing. It stems from the vision that Homie had, and as a stylist and as I think the tuning that they both have, you've seen it before in a Cocktail as well. So I think it's just her and Homie's amalgamation creatively. We as actors have to be there and make sure we look our best, and I'm really happy the kind of reaction it's got.
And well, director Homie Adjania also revealed that Arjun got inked for Finding Fanny.
I have 3 tattoos in the film. The one that Homie put out on Twitter is the tattoo on my neck, and that's actually a picture he took. I'm glad that the audience on Twitter and even generally the response has been very positive. The media is excited, the audience members are excited to see a different film. I have a French beard, I can tell you that in the film, so it's not a complete stubble look. I have a French beard, it's like a goatee in the film.
When I read the script, I couldn't think of anyone else but Arjun. I think he really fits the part. As an actor, there are times where you have to work towards looking like that part, but and there are times when you're lucky, like for me it happened with Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I just had to more or less be myself, and I think this film is like that for him, and I think he's fabulous in the film. But more importantly, I think the fact that I got the opportunity to work with Nasiruddin Shah, Dimple Kapadia, Pankaj Kapoor. 5 of us for 1 month in Goa in a car was a fantastic learning experience.
Finding Fanny stars Deepika Padukone and Arjun Kapoor together for the first time. It also stars stalwarts like Dimple Kapadia, Pankaj Kapoor and Naseeruddin Shah in pivotal roles. And there's also a cameo by Ranveer Singh, who according to reports plays Deepika's husband in the film. Finding Fanny will be Deepika's first film after her last year's back-to-back blockbusters. And while film's first look has got a thumbs up, all eyes are now set on the first trailer of the film. Varnika Gupta, Headlines Today.